guys, welcome to the TC. My name's David, and today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to explain and show you how you can deep clean the exterior of your iPhone and make it look like from this to this. Let's go. So first you're going to need a couple things to clean your phone with. What I have here is some isopropyl alcohol I put into a plastic cup. This will help cut through the dirt and kill germs as well. You also need some Q-tips, which I have here, a toothpick, and a new toothbrush only for cleaning your devices, just to get those hard to get areas, you know. Also, I have a microfiber towel right here, and another microfiber towel, but this is like the one that you guys would use with glasses, you know. And then finally, some cotton pads, and I also put some isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle. So before you even start anything, I really recommend just washing your hands, you know, just getting any of the dirt and grease off your hands. It'll help keep your device clean as you clean it, as well as preventing spreading any more grease or sweat onto your device as you're cleaning it. So first thing you're going to want to do, of course, take off any case that you might have in the phone. So I'm going to take this off. And then you're going to want to flip your phone onto its screen so the back is showing like this. Then you're going to want to use the spray bottle to just spray some alcohol onto the back. So that's a really good amount. So just let it sit there for like, you know, a couple seconds. And then you're going to want to use this microfiber cloth to just wipe off any excess alcohol you have, you know, just get any alcohol into the entire surface of the back of the phone, just to clean it. Just wipe it clean. So now you got cleaner, right? Next, you're going to want to use a Q-tip and then your alcohol that's in a cup. Just dip the Q-tip into the cup of alcohol. Then I recommend just squeezing it a bit just to get any excess alcohol off the Q-tip. Then on areas like the camera, my camera collects a lot of dust here, so I like to use a Q-tip. Just clean off that area, you know, get the dust out. Also on the camera lens, on flash, any other problem areas you have, just clean that off. Maybe like the edges too, you know. Just clean it off and you're good. So then next, you're going to want to take your big microfiber cloth and then just wipe off any excess, get the dust off, any grease, any smudges. There you go. Let's see, that's the back of the phone now. Nice and clean. So next, we're going to want to move on to the front of the device. So we're going to go flip it over and repeat the process that we did for the back. So first, a couple sprays. Then we wipe it, followed by Q-tip, then another wipe. You can see the phone looks a lot better now. No more fingerprints, no more dirt. Looks a lot better. Okay, so next we're going to want to move on to the sides of the phone. So this is where I would want to use these cotton pads. So you're going to take your alcohol and then you're going to just dip maybe like a quarter of the cotton pad into the alcohol. See, like that. And then you're going to want to use this, just wipe down the sides. Nice and clean. And then just wipe it down with your microfiber again. Just to get off any excess alcohol you might have. Now the sides are clean, but then let's say you have some dirt in these speaker grills and microphone grills and your charging port. I know that builds up a lot. That's where this, the toothbrush, would come in, as well as this, the toothpick. So let's say you don't have a new toothbrush that you can use to clean it out. You can use a toothpick, but you have to be very careful. So what I would do is just on the very edge, just, pick at the dirt, try to get it out, but don't put too much pressure at all. Otherwise you might puncture it, break it. Just get any dirt out, any dust, anything. But let's say you want to use the toothbrush to be safe, then you just act like you're brushing it out, just get in there, just brush it. It should take out any loose dirt, make it look a lot better. And then also the same with the charging port, but I'd recommend attacking it from maybe like the bottom like this, just to get any dust out of the charging port. Sometimes it causes problems with charging, so it's always a good idea to keep your phone clean and get any dirt out of there as well. Now you're done with the phone. So if you have a case, a clear case like this, you can go ahead and wash it. But some people might have something like this where it's leather, you want to be careful. What I would do with a clear case is go ahead and wash this in a sink or something. And I recommend using dish soap because it cleans off the grease and the grime that's on it. Then just dry it off, and then you can use something like the cotton pad to, wipe off any germs on it. And then dry it off again, then you should be good to go. But if you have something like this and you want to be careful, definitely do not wash this. And what you're going to do is going to get some leather cleaner and leather conditioner. You can use a leather cleaner, follow the directions on the leather cleaner itself, but most you're just going to wipe it on, let it dry, and then you're going to use leather conditioner to keep its nice shine to it and keep it nice and soft and protected. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, so moving on to a case that is leather or like leatherette, you're going to want to use a leather conditioner and a leather cleaner on it. So I like to use these. These are Coach branded leather cleaners and leather moisturizers. It's kind of expensive at like $28 for this box, but it works really well. And I mean, I've had this case for a while, so it really does work. So first, you're going to want to use the leather cleaner. And you're going to want to get a cloth. So when you're using the leather cleaner, before you use it, you're going to want to just shake it up a little, just get it, because it's been sitting for a little while. After you shake it up, and then you can start using it. Just undo it. And then you're just going to want to put a little, not too much. And maybe that much. It's not that much of a leatherette on there, so we don't need too much. So then you're just going to want to clean it, give it a nice little scrub. Get any dirt and grime off the case that you don't want. So give it clean. So now it's nice and clean. You can wait for it to dry after that. Just give it a couple minutes, or a minute actually. It's not too much. You can also dry it using the towel, help it dry. And it already looks cleaner, just visibly looking at it. Next, you're going to want to use the leather moisturizer or conditioner. So then also shake this one up. Then you're also going to want a cloth to use on it. So then, now it's open. You're not going to want too much of this either. So we're just gonna put a little, kind of put a little too much there. That's fine. We're gonna put just a dab, and then we're gonna rub it in. Get it all nice and moisturized. And there you go. It's nice and moisturized, nice and clean, and it should be good for, 3 months or so. But if it gets really bad, then yeah, it's just doing it again. But overall, there you go, nice and clean leather case. And there you have it. Now you know how to clean both your iPhone and your cases. I hope this video helped you guys, and if you liked what you saw, remember to please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.